What up, everybody? You know what it is, man. Mr. Overreaction. Yo. Hey, we are back again. Hapa ndo kwa freestyling. Udiliza peace. Yeah, the peace. Udiliza peace. Track is of whistle, freestyle, freestyle. Chipata freestyle. I don't know for some do go feminine guy. Hey. English to pronounce my official contact, but hey man, let's go.
Just think you just gonna ignore me? Nigga, nobody ignores me. Too busy listening to those politicians and those preachers telling you that I'm trouble. The hustle ain't no damn trouble. I'm a gift, an escape, an opportunity for economic freedom.
Yeah, niggas looking at me like I'm fucking broke, yeah. Born ready, war ready, baby boy. Yeah, you're walking like I'm Hardy. I'm the reaper, dropping bodies with no casket on the grace. Yeah. Rappers on this movie, boring, send the channel to me. Yeah, I see
rapping on this movie, so turn the channel to me. No, no, let's go.
Rappers on this movie, boring, send the channel to me. Yeah, I see rappers changing names and I'm standing still. Yeah, I'm the only competition. I punch out the last bit deeper than the CEO, even deeper. I'm the only real nigga. Fuck the juveniles. Slicing on the ref, wanna bring it back to life. I've been tripping since 19 and I'm winning right. They've been trying to block their.
I've been topping with guys. Ugawa punch is going back again. Let's go.
On the ref, wanna bring it back to life. I've been tripping since 19 and I'm winning right. They've been trying to block the road, Maran Caterpillar. Nigga change a color anytime, so go temper. Nigga did me wrong, even though I suck tender. Tina Nava 99 when you sako share. I can do you fender star, repanga chifenda ya. But Nico Shipanandi, Tijana Nirenda, Vari Anikoka, Nariam Raw, and the foot in and the copets and look.
Something like that.
Coca, Nariam Raw, and the foot in and the copets and look. Yeah, I started winning it.
Nariam Raw, and the foot in the copets and low. Okay.
Yeah, I started winning at this life thing at early age. And I never had a loss, so I started praying. Then I put together in my head, I was feeling pain. Riding chain, riding questions, screaming, I can breathe, Lord. Have mercy on myself and my niggas, Lord. Lead the way in everything that I'm working for. I'm the superstar for rappers who are done for. Learning from
I'm the super sub for rappers who are done for and who are done for. Done for or done for. I think it's one of the two. Yeah. Done for or done for. Who are done for. I think it's one of the two. I'm the super sub. Okay, super sub.
I'm the super sub for rappers who are done for. Learning from the legends, niggas from the J Block. Yeah, from the J.
Learning from the legend nigga, learning from J Block. J Block kwamba kid. Let's go.
From the legends, niggas from the J Block. Yeah, from the J Block. Damn, give me a cup cause I'm winning it. The game needs saving so the niggas jumping in. I'm like
the game needs some services. That's where the niggas coming in. It's coming to service, guys.
Cause I'm winning it. The game needs saving so the niggas jumping in. I'm like Super Saiyan Goku while I'm jumping in. You can tell I'm no longer making music for only me. I'm the only real nigga, ain't no fucking sneaks. Niggas telling me they love me, acting like the bond is real. Sipping
Guys, listen to this.
I'm the only real nigga, ain't no fucking sneaks. Niggas telling me they love me, acting like the bond is real.
Let me try to explain that, nah? Niggas, they're telling me they're loving me, nah? Acting like the bond is real. Like, come on, man. Okay, James Bond. They're acting like the bond is real. James Bond is an actor. Like the movie or James Bond, I'm not James Bond. And then James Bond acting like the bond is real. James Bond is like it's a fiction. I'm so Batman. It's not real. Whatever fiction act to us. Oh man. I hope you understand. Like it's talking about nigga acting. They're telling they love me. Acting like the bond is real. Acting. Equal reference at James Bond and I want the actor. Like a movie, James Bond and I want to get James Bond. And then if you check, James Bond is a fiction. So the bond is real. So it's like those lines they're connecting. Oh, come on, man. I hope I'm not reaching, but come on, man.
Snakes, niggas telling me they love me, acting like the bond is real. Sipping liquor with my homies is my fucking treat. The only nigga in the game I see is R&B. Yeah, niggas R&B. Yeah, niggas R&B. I am moving fast with the time on my side. Cheers to my niggas being real from.
I am moving fast with the time on my side. Because usually things don't like too fast. Time is not in their side, they have to move fast. So I'm moving fast even though the time is on my side. Okay, let's go.
Fast with the time on my side. Cheers to my niggas being real from the side. Yeah, run around, up and down, start to see the light. Niggas wanna run my way, but it's not safe inside. Shout to Aubrey Accent, that's my brother from this side.
Oh, Alfuki.
Shout to Aubrey Accent.
Never. Shout to Aubrey. Let's go. Alfuki.
Shout to Aubrey Accent, that's my brother from this side.
No sifa. Kodobolosa.
Shout to Aubrey Accent, that's my brother from this side.
Enda. Go haliwa. Thank you, man. Thank you, peace. Yeah, man. Go haliwa. So we gotta appreciate. Let's go.
Shout to Aubrey Accent, that's my brother from this side. And I'm out, hope you fuck with this shit right. Yeah.
Yeah. I'm like that. Let's go. Yeah. I'm on
Frank Lucas, Nicky Barnes, Jay-Z, nigga, you can hold the rock. I run everything around this motherfucker. I'm the plug.
Yo, man, that was Peace Weasel Freestyle. Freestyle. I'm not already between with the pen. Peace Weasel Freestyle. Nice job, man. I'm just disappointed in our Atingo corner Ugawa most of the bus, or maybe the bus of the region. I think no for also because like some of the bus no funga like they're bit weak. Ngongwana kana lo funga kwa understand konga zi weak, but hela bar ya James Bond ne hela Bond ne. Oh, I hope I'm not reaching that. That's a bar, man. Yes, it's a line in what comes in a super. That's a bar, man. That's a bar. And thank you for hailing me, man. But someone was on visa. Don't test me. I'm so high. American in the sky. They're too shy. Cause I'm the hottest nigga alive. What's the today? I'm the hottest nigga alive. Don't test me. Vasangondinga. Vasangombia kona ningondi doba enda. One, niwafuna zone. This is operation. Ribafuna zone. Peace. Weasel Freestyle. Vasangowara. Nikadri I still got you. Ngori nyimbo. Ndi injinga mandatory. And ungasidzi fedze. Yo way. Let's go. Yebo. Vasango stream at nyimbo zotezi. Ngori bafuna zone cherwe.